Favorite part of my job is being able to impart knowledge and information onto people. It's the other tool you can have in your toolkit. Hey, I'm Dan Saha, instructor at Lippert Technical Institute. While training RV owners across the country, we started to notice a trend in some common concerns RV owners were facing. So we thought, why not create a kit that's ready to combat these common concerns we've seen over the years? That's when the RV Tool Kit was born. It comes equipped with things like fuses and wire strippers, a multimeter to test your electronics, an Allen wrench set, a tire gauge, and duct tape. Everyone needs a roll of that. The kit may not come with a phone, but you can call us at the customer care center anytime, and we'll be there to help you continue on your journey. The Lippert RV Tool Kit. One kit, infinite solutions.